Hello yarn friends, welcome to my crochet life in the yarn room. Let's go crochet! Today we're going to learn how to start an I-cord. We begin by chaining 4. The loop on our hook is the first loop. We have 4 chains and the first loop is in the first chain. Now we will make 3 more loops. We make the loops by inserting our hook into the chain space and pulling a loop up. Now we have 2 loops and we continue on. Put it through the chain space and pull up a loop. The next one and the last one, we insert the hook, pull through a loop. And I'm wiggling it back and forth just to keep it loose because you don't want it too tight. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Now we're going to remove the hook from all of the loops except the first one. And then we're going to catch our yarn and bring it through that first loop. And I make it tall so it's loose. I insert my hook into the next loop and bring it through and make another loop. And we do this until we reach the end. Make sure that you pinch those stitches really well so that you don't lose them. And there we've created another row. Keep your loops loose and even. Repeat this process over and over. Sometimes a stitch becomes too short. It's okay just to pull it up a little bit. I'm always wiggling my hook back and forth just to keep the loops loose. Let's see that again. We have 4 loops on our hook and we pinch it to hold the loops and we remove our hook from all but the first loop. Okay, I'm going to let you watch for a little while I work on this I-cord. Oh, this yarn keeps splitting on me, but we'll make it. Okay, now that you determined your desired length, this is how I did mine. I had a little template I made because I wanted to make the letter M. So I needed to create an I-cord that would be the length that I wanted without stretching it too much. This one turned out to be a little too long, so I released about 2 or 3 rows. Okay, fastening off your I-cord. You have 4 loops on your hook, and you bring the yarn through all the loops, and then you make a single crochet and fasten off. By that I mean cut the yarn.